Hey, this is Andrew Haultain with the Victoria Property Group. I'm excited to share with you 1204 Haultain. This updated 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom rancher will exceed all your expectations. Beautiful updates throughout. You're close to parks, schools, hospital, and all amenities. Let's go check it out. Hey, thanks for checking out this tour. To book a showing, contact our team or your realtor. This is Andrew Haultain with the Victoria Property Group. Bye for now.